Hello, my phonics friends. How are you today? Happy Monday. Happy last Monday of this year. The next Monday that I see you, it'll be a whole different year. It'll be 2021. What in the world? Well, let's jump into it today. Let's go ahead and get some work done so we can get to the end of the week and get to our break, right? So we've been talking about word endings, and I wanted to spend a little more time today going over what I think is one of the trickiest word endings that we come across. And I talked to you a little bit about this last Friday. It's this ED ending. We see this ED ending a lot, but this ED ending actually can make 3 different sounds depending on the word that it's with. Isn't that crazy? Because sometimes this ED ending will make the t sound, like in the word stopped. Say it with me. Stopped. Doesn't it sound like there should be a T there? It's an ED, right? Sometimes that ending is going to make the t sound, and that's what you're going to hear. Now listen to this one. Stayed. I see that ED ending, but all we hear is the d sound. Let's read it together. Stayed. Good. And the third sound that the ED ending sometimes makes is id. Like in started. Let's read it together. Started. Isn't that crazy that 2 little letters at the end of a word can make 3 completely different sounds? So we're going to read through some words today, and we are going to sort them by how they sound at the end of the word. And we've been talking in this unit that we have to read from tip to tail. So we have to look from the very beginning of the word and push all the way through to the end. So let's pull a card. All right. This is the word moved. Moved. Where do you think that word belongs? Yeah. It's just like stayed. Moved. I definitely hear that d sound at the end. All right, let's pull another one. All right, this is the word planted. Planted. Where do you think planted belongs? Planted. Yeah, it makes the id sound like in started. Good. Let's pull another one. Oh. Visited. Let's read it again. Visited. Yeah, it makes that id sound like in started. Oh gosh, guys, I'm going to run out of room so fast. Ooh, how about this one? Kit. Say it with me. Kit. Where does kit go? Yep, I hear that T sound at the end, just like in stopped. Stopped. Kit. Let's pull out another one. Ooh, smelled. Read it with me. Smelled. Where do you think it goes? Yep, it's just like moved and stayed. Smelled. All right, look this one. Worked. I worked on my homework. Worked. Where do you think that one goes? Yep, it goes up here with kit. Great. All right, here's the next one. Played. I'm running out of room. Yeah, played makes the d sound at the end like stayed. Let's see. How about this one? Liked. Liked. Say it with me. Liked. She liked the ice cream she was eating. Yeah, we hear the T sound at the end. Isn't that crazy? And here's our last one. Added. Well, added is a lot like planted and visited. So even though these words all look 100% exactly the same at the end, they all have that ed ending, 3 entirely different sounds. So you have to be prepared as a reader and as a writer when you are seeing those sounds that you try them different ways to see which one makes sense. So we're going to read a little book together today, and it's called Dinosaurs Long Ago. And I'm going to read it to you, And when we come to certain words that have an ed ending, I want you to help me decide what kind of ed ending they have. If they have the t ending, the d ending, or the id ending. All right, dinosaurs long ago. And no, I did not draw these pictures. I mean, I can't draw this well. Long ago, dinosaurs ruled the earth. Ruled. That one makes the d sound. Excellent. All right, you guys ready for the next one? Some dinosaurs hunted for meat. What do you think? What kind of ending does hunted have? Yep, it has that id ending. Hunted for meat. But the biggest dinosaurs munched on trees. So there's another word with that ed ending. Munched. What sound does it make? Yeah, it makes that T sound. So hunted and munched, although they look alike, guys, they're totally different. Hunted had the id ending for ed, and munched sounded like T. Let's read the next one. Dinosaurs hatched from eggs. Hatched. What kind of ending do we hear there for ed? Hatched. It is making that same t sound like looked or stopped. Hatched from eggs. Baby dinosaurs stayed close to their nests for safety. Baby dinosaurs stayed. What do you hear? Stayed. Yeah, it just makes the d sound. So you are going to have to be very, very careful studiers of words with ed endings, because we know that words with ed endings can make three different sounds. We might hear t like in stopped, or d like in stayed, or id like in started. So today when you're looking through your reading and your writing, you're going to log on to a Jamboard. I'll have that linked up for you. And I'm going to put these three endings on our Jamboard. And I want you to see if you can find examples of words with ed endings that end like stopped, stayed, and started. All right, you also have one more video to watch today, so I'll see you in just a few minutes.